Hey, I'm Stacy with electronicadventure.com, and thank you for clicking on our link today. If you're in the market for a new Mitsubishi remote control, you have definitely come to the right place. Hey, we stock over 300,000 new original remote controls, never used and never refurbished. And you know what else is great about our remote controls? They'll work straight out of the package. No programming or coding is necessary. We've been in business for over 20 years, and we want you to feel confident shopping with us every time. So we're committed to shipping your product out within 24 or 48 hours of receiving your order. And if when you get it, you're not completely satisfied, we offer a no questions asked return policy. That means if at any point within 30 days you're not completely satisfied, you can just send it back. So go ahead and purchase your new remote today and save $5 off your order. Enter the coupon code REMOTE5 at checkout, and it will deduct $5 off your total purchase. Click the link below to complete your transaction, or you can always call us toll-free. Someone will be there to assist you. Thanks for shopping electronicadventure.com.